but fuck you, Canuck. Oh, really? Eating nachos, right-click his hat? Like $3 worth of nachos, and I'm not sharing with your ass. Here's where your classism comes in. The problem with dating Gen Z women isn't really Gen Z women. It's ignorance. It's the fact that there's that age phobia and ageism of like when you're Generation X and want to date Generation Z women, they expect you to be something of the best of the best. During COVID, you're seeing a lot of people that support capitalism. You're seeing like the ice queens, you're seeing like the fat chicks, the assholes, the oppressed women with their cars, the people that love Black Lives Matter, but the people that flash their money in order to get pussy. You're seeing a lot of like fucking a-holes everywhere you go. You're seeing like the sorority chicks. You're seeing the chicks that just eat, have never lost a pound in their life. When I've lost 150 of these. Oh, but I'm greedily eating nachos. Fuck you. It's just your fucking classism. I don't need to impress a bitch. Bitch.